Few nations present a history as captivating and contradictory as Japan. From a feudal society ruled by samurai, Japan transformed into a global superpower at the forefront of technology and innovation. This radical shift saw Japan grapple with its identity, embrace change, and emerge as a unique blend of tradition and modernity. For centuries, Japan existed in relative isolation, its islands shaping a unique culture. The samurai, with their strict code of honor and mastery of swordsmanship, were the embodiment of this era. Yet the winds of change blew from across the seas, bringing with them the forces of westernization. The samurai era, spanning roughly from the 12th to the 19th centuries, is often romanticized in popular culture. Images of stoic warriors, clad in armor, wielding razor-sharp katanas, capture the imagination. The samurai were more than just skilled swordsmen. They were bound by the Bushido Code, a strict ethical and moral system that emphasized honor, loyalty, and self-sacrifice. Their lives were dedicated to serving their feudal lords, the daimyo, and upholding the principles of their class. Samurai culture extended beyond the battlefield. They were expected to be well-versed in poetry, calligraphy, and tea ceremony, reflecting the refined sensibilities of the Japanese aristocracy. The katana, more than just a weapon, was a symbol of status and power, meticulously crafted and imbued with spiritual significance. The samurai, through their strict code and unwavering dedication, shaped the social and cultural landscape of Japan for centuries. However, the romanticized image of the samurai often overshadows the realities of the time. The arrival of Commodore Matthew Perry and his black ships in 1853 shattered Japan's centuries-long isolation. The United States, eager to establish trade relations, forced Japan to sign treaties that opened its ports and granted concessions to Western powers. This event, known as the Opening of Japan, had a profound impact on the nation's psyche. It exposed the limitations of Japan's traditional feudal system and ignited a desire for modernization. The Meiji Restoration of 1868 marked the end of the Tokugawa shogunate and the return of imperial rule under Emperor Meiji. The new government, determined to strengthen Japan, embarked on an ambitious program of modernization. They sent students and diplomats abroad to study Western science, technology, and government. They built railroads, factories, and shipyards, transforming Japan into an industrial power. The Meiji Restoration, while crucial for Japan's development, also marked a period of significant social and cultural upheaval. Rising sun, falling shadow, Japan's path through World War II. The decades leading up to World War II saw Japan emerge as a major military power in Asia. Fueled by industrial might and imperial ambitions, Japan expanded its influence throughout the Pacific, clashing with China, Russia, and eventually the United States. The attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941 plunged Japan into a global conflict that would have devastating consequences. World War II left an indelible scar on Japan's national consciousness. The horrors of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the first and only cities to be targeted with atomic bombs, served as a stark reminder of the devastating power of modern warfare. Japan's defeat in 1945 brought an end to its imperial ambitions and ushered in a period of profound soul-searching. Under the Allied occupation, led by the United States, Japan underwent a process of demilitarization and democratization. Economic miracle, Japan's post-war rise to global power. From the ashes of World War II, Japan rose again, defying expectations to become an economic powerhouse. This remarkable transformation, often referred to as the Japanese economic miracle, was fueled by a combination of factors, including American aid, government policies, and the hard work and dedication of the Japanese people. Japan focused on rebuilding its industries, embracing innovation, and producing high-quality goods for export. By the 1980s, Japan had become a global leader in electronics, automobiles, and consumer goods. Companies like Sony, Toyota, and Panasonic became household names, synonymous with quality and reliability. The government, through its Ministry of International Trade and Industry, MITI, played a key role in guiding industrial development and promoting exports. Japan's economic success, however, was not without its challenges. The bubble economy of the late 1980s, characterized by inflated asset prices and excessive speculation, eventually burst, leading to a prolonged period of economic stagnation. Tradition and innovation, a tapestry of Japanese identity. Throughout its long and tumultuous history, Japan has demonstrated a remarkable ability to adapt, innovate, and preserve its unique cultural identity. From the ancient traditions of Shintoism and Buddhism to the futuristic landscapes of Tokyo, Japan seamlessly blends the old and the new. This fusion of tradition and innovation is at the heart of Japan's global appeal. Japanese cuisine, with its emphasis on fresh ingredients and artistic presentation, has become a global phenomenon. Japanese animation and manga have captivated audiences worldwide, showcasing the country's creativity and storytelling prowess. Japan's unique aesthetic sensibilities, from minimalist design to the art of bonsai, continue to inspire artists and designers around the world. As Japan continues to evolve in the 21st century, its unique blend of tradition and innovation will undoubtedly continue to captivate and inspire the world.